So please pay attention. We are going to start our session about the comprehension skills for our newness, for our new story morning class. Pay attention with me, please. You can see the screen in front of you. White screen.
What?
White
Can see
screen.
English literature
You
on
can see
Okay.
now
Yes.
morning class.
Okay. Just pay attention. For the comprehension skills, we are going to talk about draw conclusion. What do I mean by draw conclusion? When you draw a conclusion, it means that you make or you form an opinion or make a decision about the text or the story that you have read. Okay? And your conclusion or your judgment or your opinion should be reasonable and make sense. They should be based on details and facts from the reading and your own experiences. According what you understood from the text, you will make again you will form an opinion or make decision. This is called this is called draw conclusion. This is called draw conclusion. Uh, Adam, are you here?
Yes, mister.
Can you read these?
Okay, when you draw conclusions, you form opinions or make decisions about what you have read. Read point
Yes.
number 2.
Yes? Huh?
Your conclusions should be reasonable and make sense. They should be based on details and facts from the reading and your own experiences.
Yes. How can the question come in the exam? How can I ask you about this point in the exam? Let's see together, please. He said, what conclusion can you make? The first situation that we have on the first part of the story that we have. Can you read, Adam, please?
Okay. Number 1. The horse reared up on its hind legs, pawing the air, neighing loudly. What conclusion can you draw from the sentence above? The horse was white, the horse was excited, and the horse was sleepy.
Yes, which one?
The horse was excited.
Yes, the horse was excited. Yes, well done. How do you know?
Because he said that he reared up his hind legs.
Yes.
He raised his hind legs and neighing and a loud sound.
Yes, well done. Yes. So we can make a conclusion according our opinion, according our understanding for what we have read. Karim Khalid.
Yes, miss.
Number 2.
As she said on
As she
the
said,
front,
again, as she said,
and she said, said on front of porch.
on the front porch.
Lulu
Yes, Lulu.
wiped the sweat from her face and took another drink of water. What conclusion can you draw from the sentence above?
Again, I read this part again. As she sat on the front porch, Lulu wiped the sweat from her face and took another drink of water. What conclusion can you draw from the sentence above? It was hot. It was cold. A storm was coming.
Mister,
It was hot.
Bed what?
Just pay attention, please, Hisham.
Okay.
It was
It
what,
was hot.
Karim? It was hot. I repeat this part again, Hashim, okay, because you have just joined me, Hashim, yes? Hashim?
No, Mister, I was here, but I was drinking water.
Okay. Okay, I repeat this part again. Okay, Mahmoud, you can go. Ahmed, you have number 3. Yes, it would be, Karim, you said what? It was what?
Hot. It was hot.
Yes, it was hot. How do you know, Karim?
Because Lulu wiped his sweat.
Yes. Wipe
and took another glass of water.
Yes, so the weather was hot. It was hot. Thank you. Ahmed, you have number 3.
At the end of each school day, Miss Simmons would sweep the floor, empty the trash, and the desk, and clean the board in her classroom. What conclusion can you draw from the sentence above?
Yes, what conclusion can you draw from the sentence above?
Miss Simmons had nothing else to do. Miss Simmons doesn't like to have her class clean. The students were messy.
Yes, which one?
The students were messy.
Yes, excellent, Ahmed. The students were messy. How do you know?
Yes.
Because Miss Simmons cleaned the classroom,
Yes, as you
swept the
said that
floor,
Miss
and
Simons would sweep the floor, empty the trash, arrange the desks, and clean the part in her classroom. The first one is he said Miss Simons had nothing else to do. It's not acceptable here. Miss Simons doesn't like to have her class clean. How and she picked out everything from the floor. The students were messy. This one will be yes.
Mister, what is the meaning of the students were messy?
That they make the class dirty, not clean. Okay, everything on the class was in different places, like the desks, like the papers that they had, trash. Okay, trash on the floor. This mean by the word messy. Does it mean of the word mess? Muhammad Yasser.
Yes. Mister?
You know the
It's
meaning of the
Mister.
word. You know the meaning of the word mess.
Yes, Mister.
What does it mean?
I know.
Hmm?
Miss means teacher.
No, miss
Teacher.
this one. MESS. Mess it means disordered.
Oh,
Mess
okay.
it means disordered. Okay.
Disorder.
Karim, please pay attention. Karim means disorder. Okay. That's all for this lesson. Do you want to repeat this part again?
No.
Huh?
no,
Hashim,
Oh.
Hashim, do you want?
Yes, please, because I didn't understand.
You want me to repeat because you joined late. You or you pay attention late. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I repeat this part again for you, Hashim. Okay. Again, Hashim, we said, can you read this part?
Draw conclusion. When you
Yes.
draw
Draw
conclusions,
conclusion. Yes.
you form opinions or make decisions about what you have read.
Yes, the first point that he said that when you draw a conclusion, it means that you form opinions or make a decision about the thing that you have read, about the text or about the stories that you have read. Okay?
Okay. Your conclusions should be reasonable and make sense. They
Yes.
should be based on details and facts from the reading and your own experiences.
Yes. How can we know? Let's understand more through the exercise that we have. Can you read number one?
Yes. The horse reared up on its hind legs,
Yes.
pawing the air, neighing loudly. What conclusion can you draw from the sentence above?
Yes.
The horse was excited
How do you know?
because he said he reared up.
Mr. Pigeon.
Not page.
I said pay
No bed.
attention,
There is
please.
no page.
Sorry, I close the mic in this way I can focus. Every minute someone say which page, Mister. I said pay attention with me. Sorry, Hashim, I open your mic, sir. Hashim.
Yes, here.
Yes.
The horse was excited
The horse was excited. You said because the horse reared up on its hind legs, pawing the air, neighing loudly. Yes. So it means that the
Yes,
horse was excited. So you make a judgment or you form an opinion. Yes.
yes,
You understood now?
yes, thanks.
It's called draw conclusion. It's called what?
Draw conclusion.
Yes, the same for the rest of the sentence that we said. We said, can you read this one again? Number two.
As she sat on the front porch, Lulu wiped the sweat from her face and took another drink of water. What
Wiped,
conclusion?
yes, wiped the sweat from her face and took another drink of water. This means that the weather, it was what? It was hot, it was cold, a
Hot,
storm was coming. It was what?
hot.
Hot. Okay. Do you know how we form this conclusion or draw
Yes,
conclusion? According
yes.
to our opinion for what we have read. That's all for this lesson. Any question in
Thank.
grade 6 for this part? Do you have any question? Yes, Ali Amr. Do you have a question? Ali.
No, miss.
Okay. Ryan, do you have a question?
No, I only want to read the comprehension.
Okay, we are going to open page 222. All of you open page 222. Okay,
So I can
Abdurrahman
read the
Muhammad, do you have a
comprehension.
question? What? Abdurrahman, no question? Okay, lower your hand please if you don't have a question. Nawar, you have a question, Nawar?
No, Mister, I want only to read the comprehension.
Okay, all of you want to raise a comprehension. Okay, no problem. Can we start with Ryan at first?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let me share with you the page. Page 222, for the one who asked about page number. Page 222. Okay. Yes, Ryan, start reading this from the beginning.
Okay.
When you draw conclusions,
Please, the other students, turn on your cameras. And there's a book, practice book in your hand. Practice book in your hand. Please show me the practice book. Show me the practice book. Okay. Okay, Nawar. Okay, Ahmed. And Adam. Hashim, your book. Please, Ali, your book. Okay. Hashim. Okay, Hashim. Adam. Okay. Kareem, your book. Kareem. Okay. Muhammad Zuhair. Okay, Muhammad. I am Mu'min. Ahmed Ihab. Okay. Ali Muhammad. Ali Muhammad. Your book, please, Ali. Turn on your cam and show me your book. Yes, don't close your cam, Ali, please. Ali Muhammad, don't close your cam.
Another thing, page what? Can you say again?
222. 222. Okay. Have you found?
Yes, yes.
Okay. That's all. Please, the rest again, don't close the cam, please. Muaz, do you have the book? Muaz, Mu'min, please don't close your cam again.
Yes, Mister, I
Okay,
have
yes,
it.
yes, thanks, Muaz. I saw it. Okay. Sorry. Start for him, please.
okay. Draw
Yes.
conclusions. When you draw conclusions, you form opinions or make decisions
Speak
about
up,
what
please.
you have.
Speak up, Ryan.
Okay. Draw conclusions. When you draw conclusions, you form opinions or make decisions about what you have read. Your your
Your
conclusion
conclusions? Huh?
your conclusions should be reasonable and make sense. They should be based on details and facts from the reading and your own experiences.
Yes.
But direction. Read the following passage.
I'd like from you, Ryan, to read the first paragraph only, okay?
Okay.
Huh.
Read the following passage and then complete the diagram with facts or details from the passage and a reasonable conclusion.
Yes.
After searching the living room, Max and Polo ran to the bedroom. They looked under the bed, but there was no mouse there. They looked they looked in the closet, but the mouse wasn't there either.
Yes.
Here or complete.
Indeed, yes.
Yes. Both both boys frowned, and Max
The
began to
word
sweat.
frown, this one, it means upset. You can write the meaning of this word. Frown, it
Ups,
means upset, okay?
yes.
Hmm.
I read the
Indeed,
first one,
and the max it began to what?
and Max began to sweat. Which
Okay.
is what?
Thanks, Abdurrahman Muhammad. You have the option to make unmute for yourself. Complete reading.
Yes. How were they going to finish their project in time if they couldn't find the mouse? Frantic, Bolo raced to the bathroom.
Paulo.
Bolo raced to the bathroom, but there was no mouse inside. Max flew to the kitchen. He opened all the cabinets
Cabinets,
and
as we know, it like cupboard or where it means cupboard. For the word cabinets, it means what? Means cupboard. Okay. The word drop like the cupboard. Okay,
and
complete. And the every drawer.
every drawer. He even looked in the
Mr. what is
refrigerator.
the cabinet?
Cupboard. They open all the cabinets, all the cupboard, all the places that they can save their things. Okay.
But
Okay.
Yes.
Pablo came into the kitchen and together the boys
Slammed. This sign slammed
slump,
means fall
slump.
or come down. Fall on the back. Okay, because of the shock. Because of the shock, what happened for them? The boys come down or fall onto the floor. Huh?
To
From
the floor.
discouraged. Discouraged it means
Discouraged,
disappointed. Discouraged means disappointed. Huh?
discouraged. Where was that mouse?
Yes. Listen to me for this part, as Ryan read and Rahman. This part is he said that Max and Paulo were searching for the mouse because they want to finish their work on the computers. If they don't find this mouse, if they can, if they couldn't find this mouse, if they, if they couldn't, if they don't didn't find this mouse, they couldn't finish all the work that they have on the computers. So they suffered out. So they started to search for this mouse. They looked in the closet, but the mouse wasn't there. Then both boys frowned, like they were upset, and Max began to sweat. He said, how were they going to finish their project? As this is a problem that they suffer from. They can't finish their project without the mouse. As they can't use the computer without this mouse. Pablo raced to the bathroom to search for this mouse, but there was no mouse inside. Max flew to the kitchen. He opened all the cabinets and every drawer. He even looked in the refrigerator. Buffy came into the kitchen and together what happened for them? The boys slumped, means that they fall from because they got tired, okay, they fall or come down to the floor, discouraged, they felt disappointed because they couldn't finish their work on the computers as they didn't find the mouse. He said here to write one fact or details, as we know how can write the details, the conclusion. What's the conclusion that we can form about this text? Who can tell me? Yes, Ada?
Yes, mister.
Yes, what's the opinion? What's the conclusion that you can form after we read this text?
The mouse was not found,
The mouse was
or
not
they lost a
found.
mouse.
Or we can say, huh?
The missing mouse.
They cannot finish their project.
Yes, they couldn't finish, or we can say Max and Paulo couldn't finish their project because they couldn't find the mouse. Yes?
Mister, what is
Yes.
the project? What does he mean here by the project? How the project is to find the mouse?
A project like task. Like what I asked from you, if I ask you to make a speaking, this is called a project. Yes?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is the name of project. Okay, so Adam said that Max and Paulo they will not be able, they wouldn't be able to finish their project because they couldn't find the mouse. This is a conclusion. Okay, what's the first fact? What did they do? Can you tell me one, Ali Muhammad? At first, what did they do to find the mouse?
They
Ali
were
Muhammad.
searching in the living room.
At first, they
At first,
searched in the living room.
yes.
Yes. What else, Nawar? Huh?
Yes, Mister. Uh, and Paulo ran to the bedroom.
Max and Paulo ran to the bedroom.
Max and
And
Paulo
what did they do there? They looked under the
they
bed.
looked
Yes.
under the bed,
But
but there was no mouse there.
this is the second fact. What else? What else? That's enough for
They
you.
looked in the
No,
closet.
that's enough. That's enough. I'd like another one. Muaz. Muaz, Hani, what's the other fact?
that
Muaz.
they
No.
that Paulo raced to the bathroom but there was no
Before you went to the bathroom, they looked where in the closet. Yes,
into the closet,
yes, but the
but
mouse.
the mouse wasn't there either.
Yes. What else, Karim? What did they do, Karim?
Yes, mister.
What another fact that they do that they did? Huh?
Mister, mister, I thinking, but I can't found. I think it off. I was about to say that one that Adam said, but he said it.
Okay, we have more. The next
Complete.
one, huh? Complete,
I know.
huh?
I know,
Yeah,
Mister.
Mm,
no.
uh, Paul raced to the bathroom, and
Paul
Max,
raced to the bathroom, yes, but there was what
but there was no mouse.
inside, in
Mister,
front
I
of
want to
you.
say this one.
Okay, who?
Me, Ryan.
Okay, Ryan, huh?
Max flew to the kitchen. He opened all the cabinets and every drawer.
Also, they didn't find the mouse, yes?
Yes, then
Okay, who else? The last one. They looked where? Ahmed Ihab, they looked where?
The, they looked, came into the kitchen.
In the refrigerator, yes? They went to the kitchen at first, then they looked in the refrigerator to find the
The
mouse,
jet.
but they didn't find it. What happened for them at last? What happened for them at last? Ali
They came.
Ali what happened for them at last? Sorry,
Yes, miss.
yes. The boys, what happened for them?
They slumped into the floor,
Slammed to the floor,
discouraged.
discouraged. It means that they felt disappointed, so they fall on the floor. That's all for this text. So the conclusion, as Adam said, is that the boys couldn't finish their project because they couldn't find the mouse. The fact, as we said, all together. Now we are going to write the answer of this text. This possible answer, this means that what we said is correct. What we said is correct. Number one, as he said here, boys frowned. It means that they were upset. Max began to sweat. He wrote here possible answers. So this means what we said is correct, not wrong. Okay, Adam?
Okay.
Okay. He said that frantic Paul raced to the bathroom. The boys slammed at the end of the story, slammed to the kitchen floor. Discouraged means that they felt disappointed. You can write the answer and make it smaller to see all the answer.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, like this.
Copy in the practice book, please.
I opened.
Tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to start our study for this story. There's a new story. It's about like a conversation, like a conversation.
What?
Our story of
Okay.
tomorrow, it means morning traffic when we start reading, it's like conversation. So I can ask to make a dialogue between each other.
Mister, the
Okay.
conclusion.
What?
In the conclusion,
Yes.
Max and Polo worried about
Paulo.
friendship. Why?
Yes.
Why?
The
Paulo?
same, the
Where
same
are
meaning, the same meaning that Adam said. Adam said that they couldn't finish their project because they couldn't find the mouse. The same.
yes?
Max and Paulo are worried about finishing their project. Okay, this possible answer that you wrote. So I told you the one we said is correct. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. In number five, I can say they didn't find the mouse. Max and Paul didn't find the mouse or to finish their project.
Yes, but the
They
opinion, your
need the
judgment,
mouse
your
to
judgment
finish
or
the
your
project.
opinion about Max and Paulo, they were happy or they were worried or they were excited.
Word.
Worried. Okay, this is the
Yes.
opinion about them.
Good.
Okay, mister.
Okay.
Okay.
And Pablo.
For the answer key of the homework, I uploaded them yesterday on the school gap. Okay, for I mean the
Oh, okay,
vocabulary and the
good.
spelling. Before we finish, I'd like to show you the vocabulary of synonym and the antonym. I send you today to study for the quiz of next week. Okay.
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 Okay, miss.
After you finish writing, tell me please to start reading the vocabulary with synonym and
Okay.
Okay. Mister, what does he mean by slum?
the word slump means come down or fall on the floor.
Okay.
Okay.
The boys. Hmm. No, Mister, you finish.
Yes, yes, I know. By mistake because I opened the file.
Hmm.
I have finished.
Okay. When you finish, raise your hand, please. When you finish writing, raise your hand. There's no one absent today, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I finished. Have finished.
Okay,
I have finished.
raise your hands. Okay, when you finish, raise your hand.
Okay. Wait. I raised it.
For the video for explanation, I download all the YouTube. Have you watched them?
Yes, I watched it. I watched them.
How many watches?
The last video only. For the one.
Okay, for the others, have you watched this video of explanation for any
I
session
don't
that
watch
we
it.
have? Huh? No one, I think, yes.
I watched the
I
phonics and
think
I
only one or two maybe.
Master, only if I don't understand something.
We watched the
But
video.
me too. Because I can't understand the
yes,
phonics.
but
You can just let you stay. But I didn't check the homework.
For the homework, I told you that the answer key I upload on the school
you
gap.
sent it, right?
Yes, it's on the school gap.
Check now.
Okay.
Have you finished all? Still, I think, still, Adham. Adam, have you finished? Adam, my son, have you finished? Okay, Adam. Ali Muhammad, have you finished, Ali? Kareem Khalid, have you finished? Still Ali, Kareem, Nawar. Nawar, have you finished? Okay. Ali Muhammad, have you finished? Ali, raise your hand, please. Have you finished?
Yes.
You finished?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So now we are going to move together with the vocabulary with synonym and antonym supposed to explain yesterday, but or read yesterday, but as we know, there's no time. So I prepared to choose the word with synonym and antonym today. I'd like
Okay.
someone to read with me. We can ask,
So can I read? I want to read.
okay, Moaz, okay,
Yes.
okay,
New
Moaz,
vocabulary with synonym and antonym.
yes. As we said, for
Pawn.
the one that is written with red color, synonym with blue is antonym, except this one because I make here this one synonym also, okay? The word
Okay.
pass is synonym for aisle, okay? Not
Okay.
antonym. So take care from this one. Okay, yes, Moise,
Pawn.
pawn.
A chess piece of low value. A small piece of chess. Reception.
Moise, read only the first 5 words, okay?
Okay. Reception. The quality of sound reproduced in a device. Receiving is the instead the
The antonym is sending,
yes.
okay?
Remote.
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 Another meaning for
Far
the word,
away.
yes, another meaning for the word remote, as we know, remote is a set or device that we use to control something like TV, like
Yes.
toy, okay? But another
Yes.
meaning for the word remote means far away, or
Yes.
distant to begin again. The synonym of it
Re-
would be distant, okay, or
and
far, And the antonym will be nearby
Nearby.
or close. Okay, nearby or
Okay.
close is the antonym. Distant is the synonym. Or we can write the word far away, the synonym is the synonym. Okay, number 4, miles.
Ramage. To search or acting with energy or speed, disorderly, uh, in a disorderly way.
To search in a disorderly way.
This
Okay, the
the
synonym disorder,
the
the
antonym
antonym
is
is
neaten and order
neaten or
and
order
order.
or order. Okay,
Rustling.
rustling.
Moving or acting with energy or speed. The
Synonym
synonym is whispering.
whispering. Thanks, miles. Another one can read with me. Hashim. Hashim. Okay, Muhammad Bahir. Muhammad Bahir.
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad. Complete please from number 6.
Simultaneous. Happening at
Simultaneous.
the
Again.
simultaneous.
Simultaneous. Yes. Happening at the same.
Happening at the same time.
Yes, at the same time. Or and we can write the synonym of it at
At
the
the
same
cinema
time.
at the same time, and the
Yes.
opposite separately.
Separately. Yes, well done. The next one, number
Heel.
7. Yes.
Yes, number 7. Heel, the curved back part of your foot.
Yes, heel with double E, the curved back part of your foot. But here with EA, what does it mean?
To restore health, recover, and the opposite is hurt.
Yes, the synonym recover, the opposite is hurt. Symbol.
Cymbal with C, a
Yes.
musical instrument.
Yes. Patience.
Patience, the ability to wait or continue doing something.
Synonym
Tolerance.
is what? Tolerance. The antonym
And the
is
opposite, impatience.
impatience. Yes. Thanks, Muhammad. We can ask another one. Adham, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, Adham. Complete from number 11.
Okay. 1 minute.
Yes, capital.
Capital, building in which state
Legislature meets.
legislature meets.
Yes.
Straight, a narrow passage of water.
Yes. Iron.
Aisle, a passage between rows. Hallway, path.
Yes. Iron, the second one.
Aisle, a small piece of land surrounded by water. Island.
The synonym is island. Yes.
Stationery, paper
island.
for writing letters.
Okay.
Stationery, remaining in one place, stable or unfixed.
So yes, thanks. For the one who will say best or who?
I'm Ryan.
Yes, Ryan. You want to read?
No, an aisle.
Iron, yes. What's the problem?
Yes, a passage between rows. You said the
Like
synonym.
yes, like hallway or corridor or pass. The synonym. This was also synonym. He said. That's not antonym. Synonym also. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
there's
Yes.
no
This.
synonym for aisle.
No synonym. No antonym. No antonym. I mean.
Okay.
There is synonym, but there is no antonym. Okay. So with this one, make it in red color. Okay. Okay, I can make it this way. Highlight for it to take care of this one. The same meaning. I don't make the mark of cross, so it will be the same meaning. Yes, Adham, yes. Adham, what are you? You can't make unmute for yourself, Adham? Okay. Adham, yes. Adham. Okay, Muhammad Zuhair. Muhammad Zuhair.
Yes, Mr. I'm used
Yes.
not Adham. Sheer, very thin or transparent.
And the antonym will be?
And the antonym is thick.
So the synonym will be thin, and the antonym will be?
Will be thick.
And sheer with
Sheer.
EA, the same sound. To cut. Yes, just
Bread.
wait. Teacher, join us. What subject that you have?
We
Mr.
have
Ibrahim?
science. His guest
Okay,
is here.
okay,
There's
okay. Give the host for Mr. Ibrahim. The rest I send on the WhatsApp, okay? Thanks so
Okay.
much, guys. Mr. Ibrahim, you are the host now.
Mr. Ibrahim is the host.
Thank you, Mr. Hamada.
You are welcome, Mr. Ibrahim.